what's up? It's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. All right, before I start the denial of the day, what do you think about the new shirt? It's casual day here in the office. Just kidding. I really just wanted to show you how awesome this shirt is. Camouflage Bellator shirt. If you are the lucky recipient of this shirt, you should be honored because these are very limited, but very awesome. All right, so today's denial of the day comes from Karen of Wellington, Colorado. We had some storm damage to our house that was going to require stucco repair, painting, and replacement of sunscreens. The adjuster told me that they would not issue a check until we had the repairs completed and presented him with receipts. I guess it depends on your policy. I had never heard of that and asked why. He said he felt I would go shopping rather than repair our home. Oh, come on. Needless to say, I was stunned and greatly offended. I contacted our agent who only referred us to their 1-800-WHO-CARES number. It's true, right? We have since repaired our home but have not received a cent from the insurance company. After waiting the rest of the year for the payment, we couldn't bear to pay another year's premium, so we canceled the policy. This is the deal. Insurance companies make money by delaying payment to you. You know why? Because they make interest on the money that they can keep. The longer they can keep your money, the longer they make interest for, okay? Now take your claim, $30, $40, $50, $100,000, $200,000, $500,000, and multiply that times 100 or 1,000 or 10,000. That's how many claims they have going on at any given time. Thousands and thousands and thousands of claims. So if they can delay payment to you, they make a lot of money on interest. Otherwise they would forego, okay? Lots of conspiracy theories here, but I always say it's not a conspiracy theory if it's true, and it's been proven true so many times, right? Including a very large insurance company that was told by McKinsey & Company to do basically 4 things, the 4 Ds, okay? Delay claims, deny claims, diminish or underpay claims, and then force people to defend their claim. It means sue you, right? So trust me when I say insurance companies make money by not paying claims or not paying claims fully. And if you feel like the insurance company is not treating you fairly, you need to contact us right away. BellatorClaims.com, BellatorClaims.com. And we can see what we can do to help you out. If you have a commercial property, industrial property, a warehouse, medical, multifamily HOA, residential, contact us today, BellatorClaims.com.